Why aren't more people talking about those legendary chainsaws from back in the day? Let's explore their legacy and how to keep them running smoothly. Ah, the old school chainsaws. These machines weren't just tools, they were legends in their own right. Let's start with those iconic engines. Got an old Husqvarna or Stihl? First, check the spark plug. Clean or replace it if necessary. Don't forget to clean the air filter and ensure the fuel mixture is spot on. And who can forget the McCulloch and Homelight Giant? These beasts could cut through massive trees with ease. When you're out there, always remember to use proper cutting techniques. Start with the top cut, then the bottom cut to control the fall. Safety first, folks. Wear helmets, gloves and eye protection. Keep those chainsaws sharp and well oiled. It's more than just a hobby, it's a piece of history. Happy cutting, everyone.